2023 AWH Concealed Door Closer. 1. Installation Instructions. 1. According to the installation drawing, cut grooves in the door frame and door leaf. 2. Place the sliding track into the corresponding groove. Fix with the screws provided. 3. Ensure that the rotating direction of the gear is correct. After that, install the mounting plate to the closer. Fasten the screw, then adjust the closing speed and latch action. 4. Install the arm on the shaft at 15 degrees between the arm and the closer, then fasten the screw. 5. Open the door to approximately 45 degrees. Rotate the arm to a certain degree. Next, put the closer into the groove. Fix with the screws provided. Then install the arm on the sliding block. Using the Allen key provided, ensure fixing belt is secure. 2. Operation Adjustment. 1. The closing speed can be adjusted from 120 degree opening through to 15 degree. 2. The latching speed in the final 15 degree can be adjusted to overcome seals and latches. 3. Counterclockwise turning will make the speed faster. Clockwise turning will make the speed slower. 3. Hold open adjustment. 1. Loosen the screw of the locking block. Next, move the locking block to the required position. Then tighten the screw. 2. The adjustment of hold open force. Adjust the screw in the locking block to get the required hold open force.